This is Heather at Fairview Garden Center, and today we're going to plant some bulbs in our raised beds out front. It is October now, and we're going to be planting fall bulbs. And obviously you see tulips, they bloom in the spring, but we call them fall bulbs because you've got to plant them in the fall. A little bit of planning ahead and you'll make the Easter Bunny happy. So what we're gonna do is we've already got some of our pansies planted and our snapdragons and some of our other color, and we're gonna bury these bulbs in and around so in the spring they'll pop up. It's almost like you forget about them and then you have a beautiful surprise in the spring. A good rule of thumb when planting bulbs is think about the size of the bulb and then multiply that times 3, and that's going to be about your planting depth. So this is a late season tulip bulb. You can see the size of it. So that'll kind of dictate about how deep I want to plant it. If you look at these beautiful anemones, this bulb is much smaller. And they only need to be planted like 4 to 5, maybe 6 inches deep. So we want to intermix our different flowering bulbs in and around this bed so we get different flowers all throughout. And they bloom at different times of the spring, some earlier, some later, so we'll get that continuous color. Another good rule of thumb with spacing, I do mine about this far apart. So this is about how far I'll space each bulb depending on which one I'm planting. So now we're going to get started planting these bulbs in our landscape. So now all we have to do is keep the bed maintained, water the pansies and snapdragons just like we would any other year, and then we'll remember in the spring, there's the bulbs. Make the Easter Bunny happy. Thanks for watching our videos. We hope we shared some useful information for you. We encourage you to come by and see us at Fairview Garden Center or visit us at fairviewgardencenter.com for hours of operation, contact information, and lots of more tips and tricks on our website. We are located off of Holly Springs Road between 1010 and Penny Road. We've been here for over 45 years. We'll be here for many more, and we're here to help you with all of your gardening needs.